14 days. No sugar. And your body will go through changes that most doctors never even tell you about. 14 days can redefine your relationship with sugar, awakening a newfound appreciation for the natural sweetness of whole foods. The journey you've embarked on is about more than just cutting out sugar. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle that enhances your overall well-being. As each day unfolds, notice the subtle yet powerful changes within you. It's an empowering experience that invites you to reconsider your dietary choices. The initial 3 days may feel particularly daunting as your body reacts to the absence of sugar, navigating through withdrawal symptoms. Irritability and cravings may rear their heads, causing discomfort, yet it's essential to recognize this as part of the recalibration process. As unpleasant as it may be, persisting through these struggles sets the stage for the remarkable benefits that await. Your blood sugar will begin to stabilize, paving a path toward a more consistent energy flow and reinforcing your determination to continue this transformative journey. By day 4, you may notice a shift, as your cravings start to fade and your energy stabilizes. Your body, now adapting, begins to tap into stored fat for fuel instead of the quick fixes sugar once provided. This metabolic change fosters an environment for improved cardiovascular health, with lower insulin levels reducing triglycerides in your bloodstream. Inflammation, which often clouds your vitality, begins to diminish noticeably, allowing your skin to feel vibrant and rejuvenated. Enhanced mental clarity becomes a welcome companion, as the fog of fluctuating blood sugar lifts, paving the way for focus and productivity. As you reach the second week, the transformations begin to manifest even more distinctly. Your skin, once plagued by blemishes and puffiness, now appears clearer and more radiant. The journey brings not just external changes, but internal shifts too. Sleep quality significantly improves, gifting you with restful nights devoid of disturbances. With a stabilized mood, emotional swings retreat as your body harmonizes with this new rhythm, showcasing the power of your commitment. Embrace this newfound energy, and relish the clarity that accompanies each day without sugar. It's a rebirth of your senses, as you discover what true nourishment feels like. Always remain vigilant, however, about hidden sugars that may still lurk in unsuspecting places, patiently reading labels to maintain this newfound balance. The end of 14 days brings not only a reset but a celebration of choices that lead to a healthier, happier you. As you approach the final days of this journey, you'll notice that even your cravings for sugary treats diminish significantly. Your palate is transforming, as natural foods begin to awaken richer flavors, making processed sugars seem overly sweet and almost cloying. In just 2 weeks, you'll come to appreciate the profound changes within your body, transforming not only your energy levels but your entire relationship with food. This journey represents a reclamation of your health, inviting you to rediscover the joy of nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. As you complete this 14-day experiment, the question remains, are you ready to embrace a sweeter life without sugar? In just 14 days, you've embarked on a remarkable journey, discovering the vibrant potential of a life free from sugar. You've reclaimed not only your health but also a greater clarity and joy in your dietary choices. The sweetness of this transformation is yours to keep, forever enriching your life.